Welcome to season 11, episode 6, and it's the finale.
It's a 4-bedroom villa, but it also has a 1-bedroom annex underneath it that's independent. You've got your own entrance there. If you like cooking, you're gonna love this. Great for entertaining. This is about, for a dining room and a lounge, you're looking at 10 metres by 6 metres. This is big. It's over 300 square metres in size, and the plot is about 2,500 square metres. Remember, you've got great entrance in, electric gates, and you're on the western side of Lule and on the eastern side of Bolicam. Well, I'm back now in Faro at the American Cars, and it's beginning to get busy.